Also, Amelia, why were you here? I thought you were streaming? I hate you too, platform. I would never miss my girlfriend's wives. Oh, my girlfriend's wives stream? Are you implying that Calli is cheating on me? I think after the stream we gotta talk a little bit, Amelia. Amelia, stop replying. Suspicious. Did you accidentally say something that you weren't supposed to say, possibly? Amelia! I think we have to have a little talk. Just use a coupon for what? An investigation? So she can investigate whether or not Calli is cheating on me with her? Sounds good. But I don't think that Calli is the type who would cheat on me. Actually, I really don't think so. Calli would never cheat on me.